Working with broadcast video and need to handle RTV files from NewTek systems? These files are central to TriCaster live production workflows. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to open and convert NewTek RTV video files for your video production needs. If you frequently deal with unusual RTV file types, a universal file viewer is an essential tool. We'll cover exactly the one I use and recommend later in the walkthrough. An .RTV file is a legacy video format developed by RealNetworks for its RealPlayer software. Users typically encounter these files when accessing archived video content from the late 1990s or early 2000s. The primary user intent is to play the video or convert it to a modern, compatible format like MP4. The .RTV format is a proprietary binary container designed for efficient streaming over low-bandwidth internet connections. It utilizes RealVideo compression codecs to aggressively reduce file size, which was a critical requirement for the dial-up era. The structure prioritizes sequential data access for smooth playback during streaming. RealPlayer from RealNetworks Inc. is the core program designed for the RTV structure. The archive's size and complexity exceed the handling capability of native Windows features. Windows enables basic playback, but serious video work requires a dedicated editor. To open this specific format, right-click your RTV file and select Open With. If RealPlayer is available, use that first. If it's missing, choose another program. Don't worry if it takes a few attempts to find the key. If you still can't open the RTV file, it's okay. If your file remains inaccessible, it's typically due to one of three common pitfalls. Let's review this straightforward list of culprits and verify their status right now. First, opening in TriCaster. Use NewTek TriCaster or NewTek VT software to open RTV files natively. The software provides full playback editing and live production functionality with RTV files. Import RTV content into your live production projects for use in broadcast streaming events and recorded productions through the integrated NewTek production environment. Next, converting for standard editing. Convert RTV files to standard video formats, like MP4 or ProRes, using NewTek's conversion utilities or compatible third-party tools. NewTek provides the SpeedHQ codec for download-enabling RTV playback in some standard video applications. Alternatively, use TriCaster to export to common formats during editing for cross-platform video editing workflows. Finally, streaming and distribution. Stream RTV content directly through NewTek systems to platforms like YouTube, Twitch, or Facebook Live with built-in streaming capabilities. For pre-recorded distribution, convert to MP4 H.264 for maximum compatibility across web platforms and viewing devices. Maintain original RTV files for archival quality, preserving the highest resolution source content. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. Since we tried everything on the format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. That was the final fix. If you love fast answers, please give this video a quick like.